Have you ever seen someone make an ice cola on the street? It starts as thousands of tiny ice flakes, yet with gentle pressure, it forms one stable Gola. There is no glue, there is no melting, it is just tiny particles coming together. What is the most fascinating part over here is that the entire ice is not melted. It is just the contact points in between the ice particles that gently bind, yet with enough stability, and we ultimately can enjoy the syrup's flavor along with the ice particles. Even dental ceramics function for us in a surprisingly similar way. The dental ceramic powder is layered and then fired at carefully controlled temperatures. For the ice cola, it was the gentle pressure. Here it is the carefully controlled temperatures. So in ceramics, the goal is not to completely melt the entire thing into one solid block. The goal is at the particles to bind where they touch. These two things of ceramic and Gola, ice Gola, these are different materials working at different temperature or pressures. But there is a similar underlying principle which tells us that strong systems are usually not formed by overwhelming the particles. They are formed by giving minimal necessary energy so that those particles can cooperate. And coherence emerges at the interface. So in the examples which we use, the interface is the space at which the particles are about to touch. Those are the interfaces. So next time when you see an ice cola being made on the street, you may think of a summer treat, but that may also remind you that the strength, lasting strength, usually doesn't come from applying more force or forcing something to do. It comes from allowing enough connections, right connections to form. Because across nature, strength usually comes from intelligent cooperation at the interfaces, at the meeting points, and not by total fusion.